Okay guys, you're welcome to my channel. Let's talk about the latest things that are going on within the crypto space. So I have been scanning a lot of ICOs. I have been able to go through 40 different ICOs, and I promised on my Twitter page that I will be releasing 6 of them today. So if you're not following me on Twitter, please do so and follow me on Twitter to be getting the latest update. Even as I'm making this video, I've been very tired scanning through 40 different ICOs. It's not really a joking task. So it's really worth it because you have to make the best use of your money. So it's one thing to have money, then it's another thing. It's one thing to have knowledge and not have money. Then it's another thing again to have money and not have knowledge. So when you combine your money and knowledge, you have the maximum returns on your money. So the news that is going on now is Bitfinex, BINANCE, and Bitress temporarily shut down their accounts to people to newcomers. So they are saying no, we don't want to actually open this account to people because listen, more and more people are coming into the crypto space, and that means that more and more the value of crypto is going to increase. Like I said on my Twitter page, I said that a lot of people who say they are experts, they are predicting a crash for the crypto market. I said there is nothing like crash on the crypto market. The only thing that is going to happen in the crypto market, there will be corrections. And even like I tweeted on my page, Vitalik Buterin saying he wants to reinvent the way ICOs are being done, because like not really much ICOs, but there are some ICOs that have been able to they've not been able to actually raise the funds they actually wanting to raise. So, and coming up with the crypto with everything that is going on now, the way I see crypto is it will be very hard to actually get, how will I put it? It will be very hard to get funds, because this year a lot of people will be educated investors, and that is one of the things I'm doing. That is why I told you I've been able to scan 40 different ICOs, and these ICOs, not all of them actually matched my list. There are some I gave very good mark. There are some I just striked off my list not to go through again. So if you've gone through my channel, you discover that I've been able to give you updates about top-notch ICOs even before they are released. I covered bits. Let's see. I covered the app coins. You can actually check the price. So I've been able to bring you a lot of ICOs from Bit Token. I covered Bit Token. That was 1 month ago.
Guys, welcome to my channel today.
So
thank you for being there with me. How's your day going? Hope everything is going alright with you.
I covered Wii Power way long ago. I covered ShipShare. Wii Power, I covered it 1 month ago. So I've been able to cover a lot of projects that will make you so that you are at the forefront of what is actually happening before you before other people actually get hold of such information. However, let's discuss what is before us now. What I want us to discuss is some of the projects. I'll just give you a quick rundown of some of the products I want you to look at. The first is On-Chain. On-Chain is a project I will want you to keep under your radar. I will bring you updates. What I want to do, I want to change the way I give the information to the public. I've put a course together, how to evaluate an ICO for yourself. If you've not seen that course, you should actually check that course up. Let me show you the course. So I think I'm not seeing that course. So you can check my channel, you will see the course. So let's talk about some of the ISO. So like what I was telling you before, I want to change the way I actually my approach towards these ICOs. So what's going to happen is I'll be bringing you the ICOs you should look into. I may just give you a quick rundown, and then I'll be giving you the updates, and I'll be reviewing the platform one after the other. So the first one is on-chain. I want you to look into on-chain because on-chain is doing something that is very, 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 very big. On-chain is doing something that is very, very big. Let's go to onchain.net. On-chain is doing something very, very big. No, I didn't spell it right. On-chain ICO. Okay. And they form partnership with they form partnership with BitToken, and this thing they are pushing these stuffs up. By the time I actually explain on-chain to you, you'll be able to understand they are bringing the kind of system where it will be able to scale by itself. So what they are bringing is they're bringing something that has to do with IoT, the cloud, decentralized applications, and the rest of them. And these are some of their partners. And then I talked about Cryptello Drive. Is something you want to really pay attention to because this is a company that has been existing, and Czech Republic is a country that is known for security. Most of the hardware wallets, most of the antivirus, they've been developed in that country. So it's something you want to really pay attention. And the brains behind this project, even as we'll dive through. Remember I told you that you invest in people and then you invest in products. Then we'll talk about the process. I actually talked about that in my course. It's free, you can check it out. So if you check the team, very, very, very solid team. I'm not talking about that now. I'm just trying to give you some overview. And then we talk about TBIS, Titanium as a blockchain service. It's a project that you really don't want to miss. It's a project you really don't want to miss because the things they are offering is too good to be true. I'm not saying much about that, but it's a project you don't want to really miss. And then Began OS. These guys are actually designing an operating system that is suited for just mining, and it's on the Linux system. So it's something you really want to pay attention. Not only that, in this project, they also designing a kind of a bot that notifies you with some other sorts, as we'll be talking about these ICOs in the much in the upcoming days. I'll be talking about all of them. And then AppBlock is another AppBlock is another ICO you really want to pay attention to. What they are doing is really, really, really marvelous. So they want to bring in the blockchain 3.0, Ethereum blockchain 2.0. So what they are bringing, they want to bring the 2.0, and if you go through the thing, you discover that this is a very, very good thing. So I'm just bringing them to your notice. You keep an eye on these platforms. And then the last one I want to bring to your notice is Topia Tech. Topia Tech, these are rock solid guys who are being in operation, and the services they are offering is very, 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 very good. So these are platforms you really want to pay attention to. Listen, I'm not giving a financial advice, please. Like under a normal circumstance before, I don't really put on my videos that this is not a financial advice most times. But if one of my viewers actually commented and told me to be on the safer side, you put not a financial advice because not to be far for the law, so caught by the law and some other stuff. So guys, everything that I've actually said it should not be taken as a financial advice. You have the same access to the internet I have, and also their website. So it's you should really pay attention to these platforms and study them for yourself before you do anything with them. So what am I how should you take this info? Take this video to be an info, and go home and work on it. It's like someone is telling you, okay, this is how this thing is. You go home and do your own research. So guys, thank you for the support. Those of you who are not following me, who have not yet followed me on Twitter, you can actually follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/cryptokey101. So I give you the latest update there. And then my Telegram group, if you have not followed me, you should actually follow me. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, I really appreciate it. Help boost my morale if I see the subscriber base growing. So guys, do have a very good day. Bye.